Okay. Today I want to talk about weight loss in menopause especially. Because at perimenopause, you go to the hospital, you are most likely going to be diagnosed of high cholesterol, high blood pressure, those sort of things. And at this time, you are going to just start adding weight anyhow. You drink water, you add weight. You eat vegetable, you add weight. You find out that before you used to eat a full bowl of rice and you didn't do anything to you, but now just eat 1 spoon to taste. You start adding weight. So whatever you were eating before and your workout, your lifestyle, the way you used to exercise, you find that it's not enough again. All those things, maybe before you used to take 10 kilometers a day, 10,000 steps a day. You put in your 10,000 steps a day and you were okay. But now you take 20,000 steps a day and it's not enough. This is a different stage of your life. As I keep saying, there are seasons to life. So this season of your life, this menopausal season, requires different strategy, to handle those things. Before, you used to have a very flat and firm stomach. Now you find out that your stomach is just protruding. Even when you find it like, what did I eat? There are certain things you should take. So this apple cider really comes to the rescue, especially when it comes to menopause weight loss. And when you are doing these things, you'll notice that your cholesterol will start going down, especially if you are eating right at the same time, you are drinking enough water. You see, as I am sweating now. As a menopausal woman, you want to stay out more, take fresh air. You have to change. Things have to change. What you just see me did, you take a teaspoon of apple cider into warm glass of water. You see my glass? Warm, doesn't have to be very hot, but warm, and it's not room temperature. Warm. You can start with just 1 teaspoon until your body gets used to it. But for me, because I've been doing it, so I'm doing 2 cups of this. You can use a cup or you can use a teaspoon. I do 2. You can start with 1 because less is more when it comes to this recipe. If you take more than your body can handle, you might be nauseous. That's not what you want. So you start gradually, like for 4 weeks, before you increase it to like 2 teaspoons or 2 cups. At that time your body is used to it and you start seeing the results. This recipe, apart from just helping you to lose weight, it will help you to manage your cholesterol and your blood pressure, as much as you are doing other things like eating right and exercise and watching your environment, the things you do. It requires change. You do it consistently for 4 weeks, you start seeing results. Apple cider will help your metabolism to be fast. What you do is that you take 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar into a glass of warm water, not hot, warm water, and you take it morning and evening. Do it for at least 4 weeks. You'll see the results. That's the recipe that I have for you today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.